Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco and myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python problem, and the problem is that to create a digital clock in Python. Okay, and here I am using Pycharm IDE to do this particular problem. Okay, and we already know Tkinter is a module which is used in Python to create a variety of GUI applications. Okay, so here I'm using Tkinter module to do this particular problem, how to create a digital clock. Okay, so go to the Pycharm IDE. I will discuss the problem elaborately step by step. Okay. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, and I am just within the Pycharm IDE, and here I just write the code to create a digital clock. Okay, and we already know the Tkinter module through which we can create any or variety of GUI application in Python. Okay, and here to create the digital clock we also import this Tkinter module. Okay, and here I am already create the file where we write the code. The file name is digital_clock.py. We already know it's a Python program, so the extension should be .py. So here at first we write the import the Tkinter module from Tkinter import asterisk. Okay, and also import the another part from tkinter.ttk import asterisk. Okay, and this two module is needed to do this operation or to create the clock, to create the digital clock. Okay, and after we also import the time module. Why? Because it will retrieve the system time. So from time just import str f time, through which we retrieve the system time. Okay, and now we at first create the object, so just write root equal tk. Okay, so after we just write root dot title and send as argument suppose clock. Okay, because we are creating a digital clock here, and after we just write the function, here we write the time function, and through which display the digital clock. Okay, so just write def time, so we put the method name time, and here we write some statement here to display the clock. Okay, and here I'm using a label wizard from Tkinter module and also strf time from time module to retrieve the system time, and both are collaboratively display the digital clock within the label. Okay, so here we just write at first s equal and just write strf time and send here as argument just within single quote %i, put a colon, then %m for minute, colon, then %s should be capital and put a space and then put %p. And here what happened, this format will display the clock in form of 12-hour format, and also this small p just display the m and pm. Okay, I for this particular 12-hour format hour, m for minute, and s for second. Okay, and then we write label dot config and send as argument text equal s. Okay, then write label dot after and send as argument 1000, means it's indicate 1 second, and just send time, the method name. Okay, so this three statement should be defined within this time function. Okay, and after outside this time function we define some other statement here. Okay, so at first we write label equal and just write label, and we are sending some argument here. At first we write the argument root. Okay, then we write the font, means what type of font will display as a clock digits, and also the size of the clock digits. Okay, so font equal, and just send within a single quote, just write the type of font is ds hyphen digital. Okay, and suppose size of this font is suppose 80. Background and foreground color, just write background equal and just write in a single quote suppose purple. Okay, and also this foreground color we just write foreground equal, just write within single quote yellow. Okay, means the font size is 80, type of font is ds hyphen digital, background of the clock is purple, and the digits of the clock color is yellow. Okay, and next we write label dot pack. Okay, and send here as argument anchor equal and just write center, means the clock should be displayed within the label within the center. That's why we put label dot pack, anchor is center. Okay, now we just call our time function, and after it will iterate, means the time will be display and display again and again. So that's why we are just go for an iteration. So that's why I just call main loop. Okay, so this is the particular program through which we are using here Tkinter module to display the digital clock, and also strf time to retrieve the system time using the time module. Okay, so the code is already stored within the Python file digital underscore clock py. Okay, so if you run this code, just go run and just click run digital underscore clock. So just see, it's display the clock a particular purple background and the digits is yellow, because we already defined here background is purple and the foreground is yellow, means the digit of the clock will be yellow, and the font is ds hyphen digital. So this is the font type and size is 80. Okay, and also I already told whatever the style here we are defining as a 12-hour format. So that's why it's a hour in a 12-hour format. This is the minute, this is a second, and its AM or PM is defined. And actually this is your system time. Now it's going on 11:50:08 AM. Okay, now if we want to see the clock in a railway time format, means 24 hours format, so in that case we just change it H and don't need to this put any AM or PM. Okay, and now if we run again, so just see, it will provide 11:50:27. Why? Because it's now a 24-hour format and don't need to AM or PM. It automatically after 12 it will 13, 14, 15, in that it's going on and up to 24. Okay, I hope you have understood today's problem. Today's problem is to create a digital clock in Python, and here I'm using Tkinter module and time module, both is needed, and collaboratively display the digital clock in a particular format. Okay, and also if we want to change some color, suppose we want to put some background is black and we want to put the foreground is white. Okay, now if we just run this code again, just see, yes, it's nice. Now the background is black and the time is displayed in a white color. Okay, and also if we change it in that format in a 12-hour format, so it also do in that matter. So put I here and put %p here. So again run, yes, it will display the system time, current system time in a 12-hour format with AM or PM. I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin, and also still if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and keep watching my channel for next upcoming more interesting video. So today up to this. Bye bye.